Exercise 6.19. A trolley of mass 300 kg carrying a sandbag of 25 kg is moving uniformly with a speed 27 km per hour on a frictionless track. After a while, sand starts leaking out of a hole on the floor of the trolley at the rate 0.05 kg per second. What is the speed of the trolley after the entire sandbag is empty? Okay, so here let us consider that this trolley, okay, is moving on this frictionless track. Okay, here one sandbag, uh, let it be one sandbag is placed like this on this trolley. Okay, then after a sand starts leaking out of hole on the floor of a trolley at the rate of 0.05 kg per second. Suppose here due to this hole, sands leak out. Okay, on the floor of trolley like this. So here we can say that before sand starts leaking out, a trolley of mass 300 kg carrying a sandbag which is of 25 kg is moving with uniform speed. And here no external force is acting on the trolley plus sandbag system. So here we can say after the sand starts leaking out, due to this process of leaking of sand from this bag, no external force is acting on the system. Okay, hence the speed of trolley remains unchanged according to first law of motion. So, in the solution of this problem, we can say that as the trolley carrying the sandbag is moving with a uniform speed of 27 km per hour. So no external force acting on the trolley plus sandbag system. Okay, and here we can say when the sands leak out, when the sand leaks out, it does not cause any external force. So as external force is not acting on this system, okay, so here we can say the system moves with what uniform velocity. Hence we can say hence speed of the trolley remains unchanged. Okay, because